Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Esteemed Tech. You are watching Artificial Intelligence course and we are working with natural language processing. Let's get started.
In this tutorial, we are going to learn nested loops. Here we are going to create list comprehensions using nested loops. So we know nested loops are when we have a loop within a loop. You can see on the slide we have two programs. First program is containing two loops and the second program is we are using here two loops and we have created a list comprehension. Let's study the first program. In the first program, here we have created an empty list pairs. In the second line, here we have created a for loop that contains for I in range 0, 3. We know when we use range iterable 0, 3 and here it starts from 0, it contains 1 and 2 but 3 is not contained because last element in the range iterable is excluded. Similarly, for this loop, for j in range 3, 5, this is a nested loop. Within this loop, we have an expression. Here, what we have done is we are creating a tuple and we are passing it as an argument to append function. And we are appending it one by one to the pairs list. Like 0 to 3 in I and 3 to 5 in j. So at the end we have printed pairs, this list, right? So what happens is here when first loop is executed, at the first point value of I is 0 and inside this loop we have a j loop. Here for 0 j is 3 and 4. So that is why it is printing 0, 3 and 0, 4. And after printing it, like after appending it at in the list pairs, and now the control goes to the upper loop, that is I loop again. Now the value of I is 1 and when the value of I is 1 and in j the value is 3 and 4 again. So when i's value is 1, j's value is 3 and when i's value is 1, j will be executed 4. Now again this control is passed again to the loop with iterating variable I. So here now the value of I is 2. For I2, j's value again will be 3 and 4. Here we are printing 2, 3 and 2, 4. I hope you understood the concept. If you don't understand it, please let me know in the comment section. I can elaborate more in the next video. So now see in this program where we have created list comprehension. Here we don't need an empty list. Directly we are going to start with pairs equals. Here everything will be in square brackets. The output is I comma j. We are going to create a list of tuples. 6 tuples will be there. Like okay, so now here we have used for I in range 0, 3, for j in range 3, 5. This is the syntax. First loop and second loop, and in the beginning we'll have to put here the expression. Here we don't need append method. Everything will be enclosed in square brackets and we can print it with the pairs. We can simply type pairs and this list will be printed for you. I hope this is okay, and we are going to study nested list comprehensions in the next video. Stay connected.
Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. We are so thankful that you are supporting us.